Hi everyone and welcome to CodeNodes. If you are just starting out, you have made an amazing choice by learning C++. In this video, we are going to talk about what C++ is, where it came from and how we use it. In the era of AI and machine learning, you may think why are we here with C++ and what makes it so important. So let's jump right in and begin our journey with C++. Before we start to code, let's start with the basic question, what is C++? C++ is a low-level programming language which helps us to communicate with computers. It is one of the most powerful and versatile programming languages out there. We use it in everything from creating simple programs to complex softwares, from creating games to creating an operating systems like Windows, Mac OS and Linux. C++ has a rich history. It was created by Bjorn Stroustrup at Bell Labs in 1980s. He wanted to create a programming language that was both powerful and easy to use. It was an improvement to the older programming language C by adding features like object-oriented programming. In our later videos, we will see what object-oriented programming is. C++ is used in many different fields. First of all, it is extremely popular in game development. If you have played games like Minecraft or The Witcher, they were created using C++. C++ is also widely used to build software applications, from desktop tools like web browsers to high-performance applications like OpenShot Video Editor. It is also used to build operating systems like Windows and Linux were developed using C and C++. One of the most important applications of C++ are embedded systems. Embedded systems are those systems which runs on any particular thing or an object like an autonomous oven machine, medical devices, and washing machine, etc. Now that you know about the applications of C++, let's discuss why it is so important. First of all, its speed and efficiency are unbeatable. Since it is a low-level programming language, it offers a great control over hardware. Moreover, it has a large community and thousands of libraries. Now that you know what C++ is and why it is so important, the next step is to get familiar with the syntax of C++ and learn how to code in C++. For that, stay connected with us as we will explore that in our coming videos. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.